Hey guys, Spencer at Z1 Off-Road. Today we're coming to you from the lab. We're taking a look at our Level 2 power pack for the D41 Frontier. That's 2022 plus if you're not familiar with the chassis code. This is also going to be applicable for that late model 3.8 liter 2020 plus D40. All right, so let's get into it. What's in a Level 2 power pack, you say? Well, you get the max available naturally aspirated performance package for your truck. That's what's available in this package. You get it all bundled up and you get it with a discount. That's right. Figured if you're going all in with us, we'll take care of you a bit. So let's just run through it. Starting at the front, we've got our intake system. This is designed specifically for the 3.8. Fits with factory style grommets. You get a seal for the fender liner. You get a volute connection there. If you're ever going to add a snorkel in the future, we'll have a different connection for that. But to carry as much air into the box as we can, we've gone to that extent to provide you this volute. You get a dry flow cotton batted filter, serviceable, can be rinsed out with soapy water and dried. That's going to be hooked up to our roto-molded intake with our billet MAF flange adapter. You get a PCV hose, everything you need to connect that to the throttle body. Once we're past that, we go on to the intake manifold spacer. So this fits between that upper intake manifold and the lower where the tumble valve is in your 3.8. Our team worked hard to engineer and find the sweetest performing thickness of this by starting with a brick that was a lot thicker and milling it down between different test cycles until they got the dyno results and street test results that they wanted. Once they machine that, they machine factory style grooves to use an OE style gasket in the bottom of this manifold spacer. The parts are E85 compatible, pump gas compatible, so no worries about years and years of trouble-free, maintenance-free use out of that. The kits come with a bracket for the side of the intake, so it's supported, no worries there. And you get a complete hardware kit to install and to relocate the factory engine cover. So that one's actually foam on the 3.8, helps dampen quite a bit of noise from that engine, specifically the mechanical fuel pump that we often get questions about being valve tick or something. It's normal, but we even opt to use and keep that engine cover on the engine. Out back from the engine, you've got our all stainless 304 exhaust system. We only brought a part of it up here, but you can see the full detail on the listing. So you get our heavy duty stainless steel cast flanges, all TIG welded, mandrel bins, all 304, investment cast merge. You get our ultra duty lightweight rolled hanger supports. You get our all stainless 304 muffler. This is a fiber packed but straight through. What you can expect from the exhaust is, again, an additional bump in performance on its own, but without a wild drone or noise being over the top. You'll know you have an exhaust, especially when you want to lay into it, but most of the time when you're driving or living with your truck, it's not going to be obnoxious. Once you've got all your hard parts installed, you're going to grab your dongle from your Ecutech pack. You're going to open your Z1 Ecutech tuning app, connect to your vehicle, get the base info. You'll email our team per the instructions, and they're going to relay an updated file to the cloud, which you'll just download and then install on your truck. Once you've done all these upgrades, the typical standards we're seeing is about 30 wheel horsepower gained and about 35 wheel torque, just with NA bolt-ons. So if you're looking to take your truck to the next level, it's just that easy. Check the site, click, call, whatever you need. You get your parts, they're easy bolt-on, a phone flash away, and you're going to be ripping in your truck the next day. So no problems at all on making such a simple install easy. And it's a trusted, tuned performance package that's for these parts. You won't find better performance elsewhere for your truck. If you guys have questions on this or maybe other upgrades to pair for your truck to take it to the next level, just be sure to reach out to our team. They're here to serve you, whether you need OE maintenance and repair parts or lifts and wide bodies and all the power galore.